everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on Cash App. Changing your email address is a straightforward process, so without further ado, let's get started. Launch open a web browser of your choice and make sure that you're signed into your Cash App account. Simply type in cash.app in a web browser and log into your account by entering your credentials correct. Once you're signed into your Cash App account, click on the account button located on the left-hand side menu. From the basic info tab, scroll down and get to the email tab. Click on the add button right next to email and enter a new email address you would like to change to for your Cash App account. Once providing a new email, click continue and enter the confirmation code that you will now receive in your new email you are trying to register with. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider you are trying to add, and you will then receive a confirmation pin like this. Click on it to open it up and then copy the pin that you received. Get back to the Cash App tab and paste in the code. Click continue once done and you will be able to change to a new email address. That is how easily you can change your email address on Cash App. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.